If you're working in an office or a home office, you're probably spending a lot of time sitting down at a desk, typing away on your computer. Standing desks have become popular in the workplace, but they can be pricey. But if you're looking for a way to stand while working without buying a new desk, or switch between sitting and standing, a standing desk converter is a good option. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 standing desk converters on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VIVO Height Adjustable Stand-Up Desk Converter. This 36x 22 inches converter is spacious and provides enough space to fit dual monitor setups, if you have one. It's quick and easy to lift, and the keyboard tray rises along with the main surface. Because of that, you'll have no problem finding a comfortable position. This desk converter comes almost fully assembled and ready to use, just some minor setup required. It has a lifting range of 6.5 to 17 inches and you adjust the height by using the touch locking mechanism which works with a dual gas spring force. While the standing desk converter doesn't come with anything that is going to attach it to your desk, it's sturdy enough that it won't shake or feel flimsy when you work on it. All of these factors make it our top pick for best standing desk converter. Number 2. TechOrbit's Rise X Pro Adjustable Stand-Up Desk. If you're hunting for a modern and ergonomic stand-up desk converter, the TechOrbit's Rise X Pro Sit-to-Stand Computer Desk can help you improve both your posture and work comfort. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be safe if something goes wrong. With the help of a high-quality gas spring, you can elevate your workstation up to 20 inches, while having a 37-inch space to work on. Like most of the stand-up desk converters, the TechOrbit's model can hold up to 33 pounds, usually more than enough to fit all the necessary work things. But since this isn't a high-end standing desk converter, don't be too surprised if, with time, you see the finish peeling off around the edges. Number 3. VIVO Height Adjustable Workstation. The VIVO converter has a surface of 31.5 x 15.7 inches, making it perfect for smaller desks, and one of the best desk converters if you don't have the luxury of a lot of room. The height adjusts from 5.3 to 20.5 inches, a nice range comparatively. You adjust the height by lightly squeezing the handle which sets the gas spring mechanism in motion. All of this allows for flexibility when trying to find a comfortable position when working. Keep in mind that this product can only hold up to 33 pounds, so it's better suited for a single monitor rather than a setup with multiple. The price is good, and it only requires very basic assembly skills. However, if you are a heavy typist, this desk converter will probably shake a little bit. Number 4. Fitties Height Adjustable Standing Desk Converter. If you work from home full-time and want to be able to switch from sitting to standing in a matter of a few seconds, this adjustable standing desk will pleasantly surprise you. With the help of a dual gas spring force, you can easily choose your most preferable work setting. Whatever electronics your work requires, the Fitties adjustable workstation will be able to accommodate it, unless it weighs more than 33 pounds. Plus, you can adjust the height of the sit-stand desk converter from 4.33 to 19.8 inches, which should provide you with enough flexibility to feel comfy while working. The only thing you might find a bit inconvenient is that the monitor stand does not completely lie flat when in the down position. Number 5. Seville Classics Airlift Adjustable Work Area. This 35.4 x 23.2 inches wide desk converter comes with a dual monitor holder that can easily pair with most screens. It can extend up to 19.1 inches, therefore, I'd recommend this one for tall users. It does not tilt forward when you lift it, but even if it's pretty broad, it can only hold up to 33 pounds if you distribute the weight well. It comes with a phone or tablet holder and it's pre-assembled, so the only thing you need to do when you take it out of the box is install the keyboard tray. The product features wire clips to get your cables under control when using the computer, and it has pneumatics to make the height adjustment smoother. Before purchasing, you should know that the keyboard tray is stationary, which means you can slide the tray in when you are not using it. Furthermore, the keyboard tray narrows near the area where the mouse pad would go, so if you are planning to use a mouse pad, you should keep this in mind. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.